This is the green list. Number 1 is type. I think it's easier to type a story than to handwrite it. Number 2 is revise. The story's been written, now you need to revise it. Number 3 is nature. It's good to study nature and see where things have come from. Number 4 is athletic. She's very athletic and belongs to 3 different sports teams. Number 5 is breathe. Breathe calmly in order to feel less tension. Number 6 is humanity. Humanity lets people be kind to each other. Number 7 is criminal. The judge said the criminal must stay in jail. Number 8 is precise. Be precise when you're measuring the floor to calculate the area. Number 9 is typical. People sometimes ask, what is a typical 3rd grader like? Number 10 is natural. It's natural for palm trees to grow in warm places. Number 11 is mineral. You can see the vitamin and mineral count if you look at the label on the cereal. Number 12 is nation. Our nation came together to send our best athletes to the Olympics. Number 13 is grateful. I feel so grateful for the warm sunshine. Number 14 is athlete. The athlete competed in the ski competition. Number 15 is humane. You should treat your pets in a humane way, giving them the best that they can get. Number 16 is ignition. I turned the ignition and the car started right up. Number 17 is mine. These pencils are mine. Those pencils are yours. Number 18 is breath. It's so cold outside I can see my breath. Number 19 is revision. I made the revision I needed on my story. Number 20 is gratitude. It's important to show gratitude for the nice things you've been given. Number 21 is crime. If you commit a crime, then you have to pay a consequence. Number 22 is national. We'll sing the national anthem before the competition. Number 23 is ignite. The logs will ignite after you put a flame to them. Number 24 is precision. Use precision as you cut my hair I want it to look good.